I hope you're hungry. I have a soul snack for you. Okay, so today's soul snack is all about our thoughts. Our beautiful, sometimes not so beautiful, serving, sometimes unserving thoughts. Sometimes we know what we're thinking, and I'd say probably most times we don't know what we're thinking. And we just let our minds go and take control of our days, take control of our actions, take control of our steps, take control of our emotions. And that's when everything just goes crazy and out of control. So the only way to change this is bring awareness inside, bring awareness into our minds, bring awareness to our thoughts. Allow yourself to be conscious enough, center in on yourself to know what you're thinking, to know if these thoughts are serving you, are bettering you, are bringing you closer to that dream, closer to that goal. Are these thoughts hurting you? Are these thoughts mentally abusing you? I'm going to be the first to admit, for the majority of my life, I've been battling this abuser, this bully. And it's not anybody I can point my finger at except right there. That person right there. It's me. The bully is me. The thoughts I think bully me. So if it's myself bullying myself, who changes that? You. That's right. So bringing awareness inside, just trying to be aware of the thoughts that we think as we think them throughout our day. It's going to be an everyday practice for the rest of your life. But it's going to be so worth it. The more we bring awareness to our thoughts, the more knowledge we have about these thoughts serving or pushing us away from what we want. So check in today, check in, set your timer if you want, maybe to begin this practice of consciousness, and maybe 3 times a day to begin, and set that timer and let it say check in. So when your timer goes off, you look at your phone, it says check in. Think about what you're thinking about. Is this a thought that's serving me? Is this a thought that's building me up to be the person I want to be? And if it's not, then that's it. All you have to do is just realize that. Then you throw it away and you create a thought, maybe the opposite if it's not a good thought. Maybe I'm not good enough. I am so good. I am so capable of everything I've always dreamt of, with conviction. And every time we change that thought, that negative, unserving thought, to a positive, building, confident thought, that's exactly what we do to ourselves. We build ourselves up. Like I said, it's a practice. Everything's a practice. Nothing is ever perfection. Perfection is perception. So, I hope you enjoyed this soul snack. I hope it actually filled you up. From my heart to yours. Namaste.